Can AI create a viral video from start to finish? What if you could make a video without a camera or any expensive gear? Step 1. I used ChatGPT Plus 4.0 model to brainstorm and write my script. Step 2. I turned my ideas into visuals using Sora's AI video generator, each clip just 10 seconds. Step 3. For the voiceover, I used a free text-to-speech website, free TTS, no need to record anything myself. Step 4. I pulled it all together in Microsoft Clipchamp, add music, captions, and done. Here's the final result, all made with just 4 AI tools. Want to see what else is possible? Follow my journey with AI.